everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a cleanup of what I like to call my mommy closet room. This used to be Gavin's room, and since the boys have gotten bunk beds and are sharing a room now, this has a spare bed for when we have visitors, and all of my clothes and things to get ready are in this room, and it kind of just happens to be like a catch-all, where we put things. It's just a mess usually. So, it needed a good cleanup, so I am going to do that for you guys. The only cleaning product that I used was the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in the Radish scent to wipe down the surfaces in this room. I did go back later with the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner and clean my long mirror there, and then you'll see later in the video there is a mirror by my makeup, and I cleaned that mirror with that.
Dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. You feel what I feel. Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. Singing like.
I have told y'all about my vacuum before. It is the Shark Rotator, and I love it. I have loved everything about it. I love the attachments. I love how easy it is to use. It's great. I will leave the link in the description box below for you. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will see everybody in my next video. Bye, everybody.